Hi all, so we're in my unheated greenhouse. It's a little bit squashed because there's lots of seedlings going on, but what I want to do is try and revive these mushroom kits that I got for Christmas. I've got a couple of harvests from this one. I've got another one with less white mycelium on, so I didn't get much from that at all. So my plan is to layer it with this bucket with chicken waste, which is straw and wood chip, and pop some holes on the sides and then see if they can revive the mushrooms and they come out the holes. So first of all I need to drill the holes in the buckets. I've got one of these drills with it's like a wood drill with the sharp bit in the middle. It makes it easier to drill the hole in this plastic. It helps if you use decent tools. I've dampened this as well to keep the moisture in. I'll start with the brown one. You see there's not a great deal of mycelium on this at all. So I'll just break it up. There we go, so I'll let you know how I get on.